Alan Dershowitz warns there's no chance Trump gets acquitted in NYC. Judge, jurors don't have the courage. Hung jury? Maybe. Acquittal? Never, he said of Manhattan DA Alvin Bragg's case. Famed attorney Alan Dershowitz warned Wednesday that former President Donald Trump has no chance of getting acquitted in liberal New York City in Manhattan DA Alvin Bragg's unprecedented legal case. There's no way he can get a fair trial, he told Fox News Sean Hannity. I don't care if Jesus, Muhammad, Abraham Lincoln, George Washington, and Thurgood Marshall defended Trump in New York, he wouldn't win this case. Hung jury? Maybe. Acquittal? Never. Dershowitz's comments came on the heels of Trump's Tuesday arraignment, where he pled not guilty to 34 counts of falsifying business records linked to 2016 hush money payments. Earlier in the Hannity segment, Dershowitz elaborated on his belief that Trump faces an uphill battle. It reminds me of when I was a civil rights person in the South. Even if you didn't spit on the sidewalk, if the sheriff said you spit on the sidewalk and charged you with it, there's no chance you could get acquitted by an all-white Jim Crow jury. Everybody knew that. You were innocent, but everyone knew you were going to be convicted, he continued. Though Dershowitz said he didn't want to draw comparisons between the Jim Crow South and New York City, he explained that finding 12 jurors with an objective view in the Big Apple is next to impossible. They didn't want to walk around town and have people say, "That's the juror who freed Donald Trump and allowed him to be president," he added. The judge in Trump's case, Dershowitz alleged, holds a similar view, refusing to transfer the trial out of Manhattan to a fairer venue out of fear that they could be similarly chastised. Trump supporters have raised similar concerns that pulling a jury pool from the Manhattan borough, an area that voted overwhelmingly for President Joe Biden in the 2020 election, could signal an unfair advantage for the prosecution. They also claimed moving the trial to nearby Staten Island would be a fairer approach. Any decent judge would change the venue immediately, but this judge won't do that, Dershowitz said. Any decent judge would throw the case out on the statute of limitations. This judge won't do it. He doesn't want to ruin his career. Remember, judges in New York are elected. Dershowitz also dismissed other pending litigation aimed at Trump, including in Fulton County, Georgia, and Washington, D.C., both places where his legal woes could continue. Federal judges are more likely to rule in his favor because they have lifetime appointments, he explained. I don't think a state court judge has the courage. I don't think state court jurors have the courage to acquit him.